What's up, guys? This is John, L&M Marine, and we're going to go over the 203 Bay Pro from Excel today. This is a really unique boat for us that we have in the old school Drake. You'll notice down the side of the hull, Zach will show you that real quick. This is a very popular color for us. The old school Drake has just done really well. You know, up top side, we actually have it in the tan interior. Really makes the colors really pop really well. Excel does a really good job on the front deck, the way they kind of get everything configured. Really good layout. Everything's very compartmentalized. You got port side rod box with a rod organizer in there. That's opening that for you. We also got this boat configured. We've got a trolling motor already. Great dry storage boxes with really good raised lips on all these storage boxes, so very dry. This box is wide open, so you can put more rods or just general storage there. The Excel console does a really good job of they use the same liner that they spray down in the interior of the boat on all their consoles, and when we get to the motor you'll see that as well. Just makes it a lot tougher, especially these camouflage boats where you might be getting in some situations where there could be some sticks, or you know, you might have some blind material, some cane in the boat or something like that with you. So it just really protects those like smooth surfaces better. Really cool feature. On the Excel, on the 203 and up, you do have the tackle organizer built into the console. Fold up rail, so if you're getting to some situation where you might have some overhanging limbs or something like that, that will certainly fold forward. We got this one configured, looks like with a Humminbird Helix 5. Full instrumentation on all of our Excels. They'll have USB, you know, slots for your cell phone charger and for a spotlight. Of course, kind of looking here at the leaning post. Leaning post, really nice option with the removable backrest. It does have rod holders behind there, and also a tray underneath is like a catch-all storage bin for like fishing tools, pliers, whatever you have with you on your fishing trip. Jump seats, really tall jump seats, really tall backrest, and then really conveniently places cup holders right by your jump seats too. And you'll look kind of on the back transom area on this boat. One kind of key thing that you'll notice on some of the other competitors, you know, Excel full-length welds on all their deck, you know, pieces that they put in the floor. All these floors they put in a full-length weld. Really high transom area, kind of gives it some setback, makes it a little bit more secure if you're going to take this boat out in the bay in some rough water conditions and anchor up. And Zach's showing you that Yamaha right now. That Yamaha is the old school Drake pattern as well, so it is painted by Excel. And they put that same rough liner over the cowl of that motor to protect your Yamaha there. So that's a Yamaha 115. This boat does run somewhere probably in the low 40s as far as your speed. Sips gas, rides really well. Just a very popular boat for us. But just to wrap things up, guys, we really appreciate y'all watching these videos. Give us a call anytime, 251-937-1380, or you can check out all of our inventory online at southernfishingboats.com. Thank you, guys.